Are you struggling with away statuses or screens locking during long meeting and you want a quick fix for this? You can utilize the Meatanty USB mouse jiggler. It's a tiny undetectable mouse, and here I have one which I purchased, right? It's very handy and I must say it works effectively. So for example, you just plug it in your laptop, open for example Teams if you want to keep Teams active, turn it on and then just let the mouse jiggle. So you can adjust the speed. So I'm going to plug it in just now so you can see what it looks like. So it's plugged in. Now I'm going to turn it on and it's on the slow speed now. So if you look carefully, you'll see that my mouse is moving slowly. So I can speed it up and you see that my mouse is moving a bit faster. Now one thing to note, it doesn't do any form of clicking. It just moves around your screen to keep it active. And you can actually use it while it's active nonetheless. It doesn't interrupt what you're doing, right? So as you can see, if I want to click zoom out, then it works just fine without interrupting your work. Now this is a strictly plug and play, no software required. You just plug it in, turn it on, and boom, you're all set to go. Now when you compare this to a software mouse jiggler, as you know, on corporate laptops, not all the time you can install softwares, and if you do install softwares, they can detect it and it can also cause licensing issues. But with this, you just plug it in and you're all set. And this is not a sponsored video, guys. I'm just sharing a product that I actually use and I'm providing my honest feedback on this mouse jiggler. There are many out there, but this is the one that I purchased. It was relatively cheap. I think it was under $12, I think. Let me check the cost. Yeah, $10. 10 Canadian dollars. So in the US, it will be a little cheaper. And if you want to really confirm that this is no issue, right? You're going to go to device manager on your PC, device manager. Then under mouses, let's look for mouse. Right. Mouse and other pointing device. You'll see that it's a HID compliant mouse. So if I plug it out, you'll see that it's gone. So I have two mouse, the remote one I'm using, and another one here. So it's 3 devices will be seen there. And guys, don't forget to leave a like on this video if you found this video helpful. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching and don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.